1,000 meter apart. Then 65 elevation 65 meter at point 1. Then elevation 60 meter at point 2. Respective from the common datum. The aquifer has an average thickness of 25 canoe. An average width of 4 meters. 4 meters, padong yapon na ito. Kapag same ganina, 800. Determine the nearest value to the flow rate of water through the aquifer in cubic meters. That is the Q. Unit pala na yan. Q. Ito mo lang eh. Same lang. Okay, tagsa-tagsa na ito. Okay. Ang ipata na yung cubic meter per. Then ang unit na to sa K, 4.5. 45 na? 45 meter per day. And then ang I, that is H over. Then ang H na to, that is 65. Pero 60. Over length, 1,000. And then ang area, thickness nga 25 times 4,000 na across. Ano nga ito? Okay lang eh. Then kung isama tayo na, Q is 45 meter per day times, that is 5 over 1,000. Naman, 100. And then 25 times 4,000. 100 square meter. Ilan man ang 100,000 divided by 100? Kuhanin ko pa zero. 1,000 divided by 2. 500 times 45. 22,000 cubic meter per. Okay. Mana yang di? Kaya now 22,500. Next. Determine the nearest value to the seepage velocity in meter per day. Seepage velocity. BS? Ano? Seepage naman. Nearest value to seepage. BS ni? BS. That is a V over. And PI over. And TI, K, 45. And 1 over 100 over 0.25. Ilan? Meters, a unit meter per day. 9 over on 0.9 meter per. And then determine the nearest value to the time of travel from the head of aquifer to the point 4.2 in days. Para na siya, time na no? Katulad na kabisig na distance is equal to velocity times. Pero ang velocity yan, ito actual na. Ang seepage velocity. The distance is 4.2 kilometer. Okay, 4.2, that is 4,200 meters. Velocity is 0.9 meter per day. Then time and times time. Time is in days. 4,200 divided by 29. 4,000. 4.
666.67.
Make up this in days. Ilan mo na katuig? Divide o ilang katuig sa sanabi? Pinaka-ano sa katong ay 365 kung dili leap year. Kung leap year, 366. Kung accurate yun, pinaka 365.35. 365 na lang kay para standard 12 years. 12 years, usa pa mabot? Gaya eh. Mabot ang. Okay, I think, kada na sir, let's meeting na naman. Oy.